Listen up, it's the secret sauce. Called Secret Sauce.
Okay.
And Secret Sauce is basically, what's a good tip to help somebody take their business to the next level? A current owner, something that they can implement into their business to maybe help them grow their business.
Yeah, I shared a couple of those earlier, but the one that I still have on the list here is networking with your peers. This podcast is a good example of that. And again, when I talk to longtime members of the association, and again, we do all these programs and events and services, but what they come back to is the biggest value I've had is the people I've met through the association. Mm-hmm. And it's those connections, those friendships, those abilities to talk to somebody who speaks the same language. And so I just would encourage people that, this can be an insular industry. If you don't leave your store, and if you don't go out and make an effort either virtually or in person to connect with other people in the industry, you're just never going to get to the level of success that you'd like to have. So the secret sauce for me is your peers, the other people in the industry. And Jordan, you probably discovered this. I don't know how we can, take credit for it. I don't know that we can, but this industry is very willing to share. People aren't, maybe if you're across the street, that's one thing, but most every store owner is willing to, share information, share best practices, and try to help the next guy. And so that's something that I think has to be part of the ingredients in your secret sauce.
Yeah, I love that secret sauce. And that is exactly what this whole podcast relies on, right? It relies on people willing to come on and share their experience, their lessons, their wisdom, with each other. And there's the whole, mantra that so many people spout, you're the average of the 5 people you spend your most time with. There's and things along those lines, like it's important who you communicate with, and it's important who you take information from. And so if you want to grow your business to the next level, you need to start getting around networking, getting around people who are doing things at another level from you inside our industry and probably outside of the industry also. So I think that's great secret sauce.